Good day mga boss, your Kuya Elmer here from Kuya Elmer to Treat. So, by the way, naata karon sa Lalao San Juan Secure. Kay actually last week naatay gihatod nga unit sa ato ang client from Kanturan. At the same time, so naligo sa taglindot nga dagat diri. So, for today's video mga boss, for today's episode, dili lang sa sakyanan natin ipakita kay naatay na discover diri nga Louis Street Guest House here in Lalao San Juan Secure. So this is not an ordinary guest house. This is already a beachfront. Yeah, we have these two terraces fronting the highway and fronting sa dagat. So this is very accessible guest house along the highway rin siya. So introducing by the Sea Guest House. So we have 4 rooms, duha ni sa taas and then duha sa ubos. At the same time naasa tay kalutuan, anytime pwede ra kita makaluto. So let's go, ato i-showcase, ato sa ipakita diri sa taas. So mag-start na diri sa taas. Let's go. So mga boss, muni ang stairs. So natay mga tiris diri made with woods. So dali kayo, so ibili na to ang chinelas mga boss kay fully booked ni kanina. So, this bago lang yung gilimpiwan. So, check sa nato ang terrace mga boss fronting sa highway. So, again, natin dispenser diri, free ta water, hot water, anytime, coffee, pwede ra. And then, muni ang terrace. So, fronting na ni sa highway. So, every time mahuman mong kaligo, pwede ra mo mag-relax diri, lingkod. So, hayahaya rin yung paminaw. So ta diri sa first room here at second floor. So tara, check na to ang first room. So humanan ni biddings tanan kay like I said, bago lang gyud nag-check out ang sigaw na to ang ato ang guest from Cebu. So this is couple room. I guess family pwede na kay naamata diri. Naamatay pwede matulugan diri. And then of course aircon na siya. We have separate CRs each room. So this is cold shower only. Kita CR gaw no. So muni CR bago lang yung limpyo. Like I said, bagong nag-check out ang mga guests karon from Cebu City, and then siguro meanwhile nanasay mo kuan, nanasay mo check in. So this is the first room again. So this is the second room. So pwede ra gid family actually ang kaninga room. So inyong mga anak siguro diri pwede ra. We have extra bed diri. So aircon, CR. So ang nakanindot diri mga boss, with this another terrace fronting sa koan. Go. So ang nakanindot diri mga boss, ikaduha nga terrace fronting sa dagat, sea viewing. So diri nindot yung paminaw diri. So coffee every morning while watching sa koan dagat. So yes, muni sa taas muna siya, duha ka rooms. Sarado na to. So proceed ta sa ubos. Proceed ta sa ubos mga boss. No. Camera, yan. No. Sus, luya ka yung cameraman mo eh. So muni diri mga boss, muni sa ground floor. So this area pwede ra gid mo like mangaon mo, like mag-relax mo or anything, sugba anything. Actually gikan mi nagsugba karon. So muni ang kusina, makaluto mo anytime. We have provided kuan gasol, we have provided gas range. So So we have refrigerator. Anytime pwede mo mag-grocery diri, pwede niyo ibutang. And then dispenser niya, proceed ta diri sa next room, sa ground floor. So again, pwede ra gid kaayo for family room. Pwede ra ta maglatag diri og bed. And we have shower, provided CR. So this is the last room mga boss. Actually, kani ang plan ani is himuon ni zone of barkada type. So alikaw, diligaw. Barkada type. So butangan na ni pon og deck, I guess. So kani plan pa lang ni propose barkada type. Pero for now pwede ra gyapon ni makuan occupy. So wala tay kuan dire, although wala tay aircon, na ta ay provided nga electric fan. So mga boss, ang pinaka-highlight very good mga boss. Actually, naatay guys from Manila last only week pa lang. I guess first time niya diri ni ari sa Secure. So na-miss siya sa dagat that time. So nag-rail siya. And then nakahakot siya 1 million views, 1 million likes, and 1 million shares. So mga boss, again, ang pinaka-highlight. So diri muna siya. As what we have mentioned, ang beachfront area, we have provided hammocks, 4 hammocks. So, pwede na mo mag-tents diri. Pwede rin mo mag-tents. And again, sa gustong mag-luto-luto pohon, naara tayo provided nga subbahanan. Ikaw, pakita subbahanan ka. So, we have provided nga lamisa. So, guys, for inquiries, for bookings, please message me or please contact my number is 0905-365-7584. Kay grabe ka-season na ron and grabe ang mga advance book na ron. Sa mga schedules next month, parang medyo fully book na, pero let's see. Message lang ako, basig pwede pa ta mo ma-insert. So, that's the end of the video. I hope soon, muari mong secure, ma-enjoy ragid mo. So, thank you!
This shit feel like Friday nights. This shit made me feel alive. Feel like we in paradise. Paradise. Don't know if it's a drink I pour. That's why I've never loved you more. Feeling it, my head's where the ceiling is. This energy turns nights into memory. Count up the bands, he been working all summer. Ex didn't know what he had, what a bummer. Insecure people turn to insecure lovers. But my drink is almost out and I'm about to pour another. Just let it out. The night has just begun, we on a level now. If I get too fucked up, promise you'll hold me down. Yeah, this that shit you can't deny. This that shit you feel inside. It's our life, our time, we living well. Late nights in the city causing hell. Burn this bitch into the ground, oh well. For all we got tonight, let's do this right. Let's do this right. Let's go to paradise.